You can start. Let us start with Saurav first.
Okay. Good evening, Hina. Hina. Good evening. Sorry. Good evening, Anisha.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir. Sorry, I think so that before we had a Hina interview, that is why I was just confused. Okay. Anisha, how are you, Anisha?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So the first question is just tell me about yourself. Just briefly explain yourself.
Okay. Again, good evening, everyone. My name is Anisha. I am from Kadma Jamshedpur. I am completed my intermediate and now I'm pursuing my graduation. I am also a home tutor in my family. My father is worker and my mother is housewife. We have 3 sisters and a brother. Other than my family, dancing and painting is my pastime. And also I'm participate many activities like I'm joined NCC in my ninth, and now I'm a few months before I'm joined GDA course. So thank you.
Great. Over to Hina. Hina, are you there?
I'm
Hina,
here.
are you there?
Yes,
Yes.
I'm here. Good evening, Anisha.
Good evening, Hina.
Anisha, compare your first day to 24.
First day, actually, I'm very nervous before I join NMDC. Lalit sir is asking me, but I am confused. In first day, I'm very stuck in English. Also, my confidence is low. I'm low confidence person. But now I speak a little bit more few minutes before then joining MMC, and now I am feel more confident, and my stuckness problem is also going.
Okay, great. Yeah, great, Anisha. So I was just asking that which week of MMD process is very much important, and which week or which week of MMDC process is more interesting from your side?
Actually, in which week? Actually, second week is more interesting for me because I am nervous when I am joined. Actually, I am very nervous to speak from others, but interaction with other members, I feel very confident. So I think, in my viewpoint, second week is very interesting for me, but third week is very good because if you try to make videos, you feel more confidence, and I think third week is very important.
So you have
Okay.
summarized it very well. Week number 2, where we ask our students to write summaries, that is very, that was interesting for you because you were having some hesitation problem. So people who hesitate can
Yes.
write, okay, because nobody's judging your writing. But yes, importance wise, the third week where you make videos, confidence level has gone up. So I think you are able to see the screen right now, the camera right now, and speak. Such an amazing confidence level. Everybody look at the chat box. You can see the chat box, how people are responding to your interaction. Time now for Hina. Fourth question.
Okay, Anisha. Anisha, what's unique about you?
Actually, my stubborn is unique about me because when I want to do something, I am stuck on that work. But if I don't want to do that, I am ignore this word. So
I'm
my
really impressed.
stubborn is unique.
Okay, Anisha, I'm really impressed with you. Your answer was good.
So let us move the questions to the room. Saurabh will come to you. Ajay has raised his hand. So we'll have 3 to 4 questions only from other members. If she's not able to understand the point, I will just try to paraphrase it. Ajay has raised his hand already. Ajay.
Good evening, Anisha madam.
Good evening, sir.
My question is straightforward. My mother tongue is Telugu. How to stop translating and start thinking in English? Please give me some tips.
Actually, if you talk with yourself in your mind, actually translation is very hard because when I am starting to talk with others, when I am trying to just translate our words, it is more difficult. So I think you talk with yourself. It is better, more help you.
Thank you.
So I think Anisha also has the same problem. Her mother tongue is Hindi, just like you said, your mother tongue is some other language, Ajay. Her language is also Hindi, but she was also trying the same method of translating. But rather than translating, the best one is you stop talking, start talking to yourself in English from the very moment right now. When you start talking to yourself, when you start, thinking in English and talking to yourself. People do talk to themselves. When you start doing that, Anisha is telling that can help. Rahul.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Good evening, Anisha. So,
Great, Rahul.
yes. So my question is that I want to know about your dream job.
My dream job is going to defense. In my childhood, I don't know when I listening or and watching movies in like Border or Force 2. I don't know, but I am very impressed by them. So I want to join in defense.
Okay, great one. Great answer. Bang on. Bullseye.
Great, Anisha.
Very good. Sai, your turn.
Hi Anisha, how are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
First of all, we are feeling so proud that you are in our team challengers. So I have very much confidence that our team will definitely win that contest. So I'm
Sure,
really
sure.
waiting for the result. So you are one of the key player in our team. So my question is, uh, who is your role model in your life?
My role model. Actually, I don't know because I don't think, actually, I never think about that any one person is my role model.
Okay, who makes you to go with the defense? Actually, your dream job is to getting job in defense. So
Yes,
who
sir.
motivates you?
What
Actually,
motivated you?
movies.
Very good.
Movies motivated me.
Okay. So you should watch movies. Movies will actually take you because they're full of drama. There is full of melodrama. There is a hero, there is a villain. So that kind of a thing happens. And movies
No,
make
sir.
you larger than life. They show you things larger than life. So you can build your passion over there. Anisha, according to Anisha. Yes.
And
Yes.
I
And I'm very much impressed on your confidence level, Anisha ji. Actually, just I want to know what is your confidence level before MMDC and after MMDC. Before joining MMDC, what is your confidence level? If you rate,
before MMDC, I
then-
think 20 or 10%. I think, and now actually you also see me. So I
Yes,
think
that's the best answer. Let everybody see. You people judge what is the confidence level of Anisha. Palak is raising her hand. Palak.
Yes. So, ma'am, my question is that who inspired you to join MMDC?
Lalit
Good.
sir.
Lalit sir.
Firstly,
So-
Lalit sir is asking me to join MMDC, but after doing my 5-day workshop, I'm very impressed by about awareness and why we fear from speaking and about syllabus. So actually, I'm impressed by sir. So and this process of MMDC. So that motivated me to join MMDC.
Okay, Saurav, any final questions? Saurav, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Mari is raising his hand. Let Mari ask and then Saurav be. The last question will come from Saurav. Before that, we'll have Mari asking the penultimate question. Last but one question. Mari.
Hi, Anisha.
Hi.
Actually, your voice is not coming very well, sir.
Mari, please
Yeah.
repeat the question.
Can I audible? Can I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah, yes. Hi, Anisha.
Hi, sir.
Your speaking is very well.
Thank you, sir.
And you said first day you are joining the MMDC. I am struggling more. But my question is very simple, Anisha. Yeah, what would you like to say the new learners of MMDC?
What is your message to the new learners of MMDC? Yes.
Okay. So I suggest them, you complete your process because it is very help to you to improve your spoken.
Yeah, thank
Yes.
you. Thank you.
One more secret which she's not letting out is that I think she has worked with Shreya ma'am a lot. Shreya ma'am used to ask her to call a lot of students, and she was calling all of them and getting feedback and getting reviews and interacting with a lot of people. That has also given her the confidence, because when you're calling somebody directly from Karnataka, you're calling somebody directly from Gujarat, that gives you a new person you're calling, a new student, a new learner you are calling, then it gives you immense amount of confidence. So if Saurav, if Shreya, if Rahul, if Shivam, if they ask you to call somebody, if your task in the group is to call somebody, do not hesitate to pick up the phone and give a call, because that can give you immense amount of confidence. Vaskar will have to wait. Vaskar, just get ready with a vote of thanks. We'll do that. Saurav, the last question comes from you.
Okay, so Hina, my last question will be that can you be an assets of MMDC, and if you get a chance to recommend your friend, will be recommending MMDC?
First, I don't think I'm an asset of MMTC because my speaking, effective communication is my communication is not effective. I'm sorry. Also in Hindi, I'm not. My communication is not good. And if I suggest other, because MMDC process is very well. It is amazing platform to achieve spoken English, and I'm very learn. Actually, you learn other things also from MMDC club, and all members are very good and very helpful.
Thank you so much, Anisha. It was really a pleasure interacting with you. And trust me, you have actually exceeded the expectations. Whatever we had of you, you have exceeded the expectations. And I'm so very happy, so very glad that you have cleared the process in such flying colors. So I'm stopping the recording as of now. But yes, amazing job, stupendous job, and really impressed with the kind of confidence you have, and the kind of you have not let one question go down, and your fluency, your choice of words, your play of words, everything was brilliant, beyond
Thank
my
you.
expectations. Very good.
Thank you.